Want to switch your default messaging app on your Samsung phone? Whether you prefer Google Messages, Samsung Messages, or another SMS app, changing the default only takes a few moments. In this guide, I'll walk you through each step so you can start using your favorite messaging app without any confusion. First, unlock your Samsung phone and swipe down from the top of the screen. Tap the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you find apps, then tap on it to continue. Inside the app section, look for Choose Default Apps near the top of the screen and tap it. This menu lets you decide which apps your phone uses automatically for different tasks, including messaging. Next, tap SMS app. You'll now see a list of all compatible messaging apps installed on your device. If you have apps like Google Messages, Samsung Messages, or another SMS application installed, they'll appear here. Simply tap the radio button next to the app you want to use as your default messaging app. Your Samsung phone will instantly save the change, and from now on, all text messages will open and send through the app you selected. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same menu and switch to a different messaging app whenever you like. Keep in mind that changing the default messaging app won't delete your existing messages. Your conversations will remain available as long as the selected app supports them. You've successfully changed the default Messages app on your Samsung phone. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more easy Samsung tips and helpful smartphone tutorials.